Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can use your phone as web camera and microphone on your PC, on your Windows PC. It can be used on Windows 10, Windows 11 and all other versions, and even on Mac. You can use the iPhone and you can use the Android device. So let's get started and set it up. So the first thing that we need to download is this program right here. This is a very popular program, OBS Studio. So let's click here on your which operating system you're using, and you just go ahead and install it from this website, this obsproject.com. This will be linked in description below. Now after you downloaded the OBS Studio and you have installed it, you will get something like this. This is the OBS Studio. So here we need to go to this website again to get access to our phone, to our web camera on phone and on PC. So here you go to this website here, video.ninja, this one, and here we're gonna click on this create reusable invite. So we click on it, and here you will get this. You can give here a name on media source if you want, and here you can click on allow effects to be used, so you can use effects. There's here the settings that you can choose if you want, but for now, for this, I'm gonna choose all of the settings for now. This is just for the tutorial, and here we're gonna click generate the invite link. After you set up everything here, click on this, and you will get this QR code here. So now we need to open our, so now here on our phone, on our device, we need to open here and scan the QR code. So you just tap on it and it should be getting the QR code information. And if it doesn't work, for example, if the QR code doesn't work, then you just go ahead and type in this link, this green link here. So we're gonna type in here. If this case QR code is not working, you have to manually type it. So that's just in case if it doesn't work. So now here, once we're here on this website, we can click here on share your camera, and here we have to allow the microphone and camera. So click on allow, and you got access to your phone camera here on this website. Then we need to copy this red link here, not this one. This one is for the mobile, and this one is for the OBS that we need to integrate inside of OBS. So we go now to OBS, and now we click on this plus icon here, add source, and we click here on browser, and here we can rename it which kind of name do you want, doesn't matter. So here we click on OK here, and now here on URL we're gonna paste the link that we got from the website, and here we're gonna choose the resolution that you want. So for me now it doesn't matter, it's just a tutorial, so I'm gonna let it on default, but you can choose whichever resolution you want. So here we're gonna click on this as well, this control audio via OBS, and click on OK. And now here we should be getting the phone camera here and audio from the microphone. And after that you just press on the green button, and as you can see, you will see here my camera, my keyboard right here. So that means it works. And here how you can make your camera on virtual. So now how you can use your phone camera on other apps like Skype, Discord and other applications is just click on this start virtual camera on OBS. Click on this one, and now it will start to broadcast the camera from your phone to any app. So for example, if we open now here, we open our Discord and we go here to settings, and we click on voice and video, you just go ahead and you put your camera right here. When you go down here, you're gonna choose the OBS virtual camera, and it will start automatically to show you the camera that it is right there from the phone. So just click on this OBS virtual camera here, and that's how you connect the web camera. So now I'm gonna show you how you can connect the audio that you get from your phone. So your phone basically becomes a microphone, so you can use on your PC. So we're gonna let this start virtual camera, and now we need to go to this website. Now you can close this website if you want. We don't need that anymore. So here we're gonna choose which operating system do you have. We need this software in order to get the microphone from our phone to our PC. So we click here on download, and here we're gonna get all of these files right here. We're downloaded. It's a bunch of files, so we have to extract it with a WinRAR or 7-zip or a zip extractor, and here we're just gonna extract all the files from here, and we need to click on this setup, this 64.exe. Click on it and click on install, and click on this install driver, and here we're gonna click on install. You put your PC in order to finalize the installation. Click OK. And after you've installed the VB audio device, now we go here on our OBS again, click on settings, and we're gonna click on audio, and we're gonna scroll all the way down until we see here on advanced monitoring device, default, change it to cable input, this VB audio virtual cable. Click on this and click on OK. Now we need to go to our browser here that we put this on OBS. Click on these dots and click on advanced audio properties, and here we're gonna find a browser here, and we're gonna put on monitor and output, and we're gonna click on close. And now we go again to our Discord here, and we're gonna just set up like a normal microphone, voice and video here, and here on the input we're gonna put this cable output. And now all the microphone from the phone, it will come to the Discord from OBS to Discord. So you have to have OBS always run in order to use on Discord. So here you can change just like a normal microphone here. Just click on cable output, this one, and here make sure you put the speakers that you have on output here, and on input device here has to be cable output, and that should be it. And that's how you get the camera and microphone from your phone to your PC. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask in the comments. Bye.